Hey, what's up? This is the coupons book generator review. In it, I'm going to show you my bonuses. I'm going to show you my masterclass. I'm also going to show you the opportunity presented by this unique software. Make sure you watch this video until the end. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Okay, watch this video to the very end. Okay, before I begin my coupon books generator review, I want to show you my masterclass bonuses and explain to you the upgrades if you're interested in them, okay? So below, you'll see that I have my masterclass bonuses here. That includes my actual video masterclass guide. It includes my done for you 40 niches within the coupon book market. My personal review, I will actually review your coupons book once it's published on Amazon KDP. Done for you coupon book title page, copyright page, and how-to page. Okay, really important. Step-by-step checklist to publish your book on the coupon book market. Done for you book covers and alternative buyer traffic keywords for the book for the coupon book market. Really important. Okay. Also, for the upgrades, you can see them here. I have 1, 2, and 3. You list them down below. Check them out if you're curious about the upgrades. Okay. Now let's begin with the coupon books generator review. Now, first off, I want to show you this is an actual thriving market. Okay, forgive my voice, I'm a little hoarse today. Woke up with a sore throat. Anyways, if you look here, I'm on Amazon. Valentine's coupon books for him. If I scroll down, these are the first organic searches. Results, and you can see here there's a lot of reviews, a lot of positive reviews for these simple little books. And I'm going to show you how to make it in just a little bit. So bear with me. I'm going to show you how fast it is to create these types of books. Okay. Now we look here. This another one here has over 247 reviews. This one here is 131 reviews, positive mostly, and they're selling like crazy. And these BSRs are not that high, right? And they're not that low. These are selling on a daily basis. Really good stuff. And there's tons of markets. You can see here, this is the coupon books for kids. There's a ton of little books here that are for kids. And they're selling, again, like hotcakes on this thriving buyer's market, okay? And here's another one for Christmas, okay, which is really cool. And again, let me show you what are the reviews for this. Over 139 different reviews. Really good stuff. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to create. Let's say, for example, one in the Valentine's Day niche. Okay, so here I am. Here I am on the book, on the coupon books generator. I'm going to click on this link. Okay. I'm going to go down to templates, or so I should say page layouts. It's going to populate. I'm going to view 70 more. Okay. I have the whole thing, right? I'm going to go to this one here. This is one of the front end designs. Okay. I want to make it nice and simple for you. And you see here, we have a coupon. We have a coupon, right? This is for, again, a romantic Valentine's Day style coupon book. What I'm going to do here is going to click on this. Okay, first thing I want to do is change the fit to the cover. So I'm going to make it sure that it fits all the way around. Very good. Now, I want to make 50 of these coupons. Now that would take you forever, right? Check this out. This is the beauty about this software. Now, if I go to here I am on chat. You can use any free AI you want. Grok, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever the case is. You ask it to repeat the schema, because this has a schema. Let me show you. If I click on this, and I click this bulk button here, and it says download sample. I can download this sample, and this is a sample. Then I can take this, go to chat or Grok, give it to it, and he said, give me 50 more. Right now, check this out. Now I'm gonna drop the one I made earlier today. So let me go to downloads. Let me go to the romance one, and look. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. It's a repeat. Breakfast in bed, picnic in the garden, 4 kisses in bed, movie night together, slow dance at sunset, love note every day. Beautiful, right? Massage with oil, spa for 2. Very good. This is 50, okay? Now, remember, with Amazon KDP, you have to add an extra page, a blank page, so that the coupons are not on one page, right? So we just click this button here, right? And now we have a blank page between each coupon. That gives us 100 different coupon books, right? And the coupon books usually are at this specific trim size, 8.25 by 6, right? So I have 100 of these now. All I gotta do is download as PDF. Very simple. Now, let me open that up. Here we go. All of this. I have a product just like that, okay? That's the beauty of the software. Instead of going to Canva and designing each individual one, and it's gonna take you hours and hours of work. Instead of doing all that with a coupon books generator, I can get it done fast and quick. Now again, if you want done for you book covers and the essential pages, like I think you need, for example, your copyright page, your title page, your dedication to page, all of these different pages I have ready for you if you get this coupons book generator via my page down below. And again, if you want to check out the upgrades, you can check them out right here. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the group. Happy to help. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.